So hi and welcome to another video, and today we're going to be taking a slightly different approach here. We're going to be taking a look at some video/studio lights from Neewer. So these are the Neewer 480 Bi-Color LED lighting kit. I've been using these in my videos as I am now since around Christmas, and I've been testing them out to see what they do, and I needed some new lights for my studio at the time. If you want to see how they're working in different videos, like I say, I've been using these since Christmas, so check out my videos recently, and I've been using these lights in those as well, so it'll give you a good idea of kind of the effects you can get and kind of the lighting you can get out of these lights. So in this video, we're going to unbox them, I'm going to show you what you get, show you how to set them up, and then I'm going to compare them to a normal studio light box that I was using to give you an idea of how bright they are and the colours that you can get out of it. If you haven't already and you want to look at some of the information I've been capturing in my videos, check out my Beardedbob.com website. All my information is on there, and also all of my reviews are as well. These retail in the UK for around $139.99, or in the US around $179.99 US dollars. And this is for a pair of these studio lights and the batteries and all the other kit that comes with it. Neewer were very good to send these out to me. We had a discussion around what I was looking to do, and I said I need some studio lights, and they provided them here for me to review. But as you know, this won't affect my review. I'll still give my personal opinion on them. I'll be putting all the links for these lights in the description as well, so you know where to go and get them from. So these are bi-color, and by that I mean they've got a white or cold setting. They also have a warm and yellow setting, and you can mix them together so you get the right color effect in the video you're trying to take, or in the scene in photography that you're trying to take. These are between 3200 and 5600 Kelvin in brightness. The units themselves can be powered from the mains, or they can be powered from two 2600 milliamp batteries that you get in the pack if you want it to be a little bit more mobile. They use the NPF 550 battery here. That's quite common if you want to get some extra ones as well for when you're on the move and you want to ensure you've got some extra power. And these lights are nice and lightweight, and they also come with a stand which is adjustable in multiple places to make sure you can get the right angle as well of the light. So in the box here you get 4 batteries, 2 per light. You get 2 charging units, you get 2 lighting units as well, which also have 2 diffusers, and you also get 2 stands. And then finally you get 2 cases for the lighting units, but unfortunately you don't get any for the stands. Although that didn't bother me because you can just throw them in the boot of your car if you're moving around. It does make them perhaps a little bit awkward though to carry. If you're going somewhere on site, you'd have to carry them just by the stand itself. So putting these lights together is really easy. Nothing complicated about this. You screw the LED unit to the top of the stand as you do with all these kind of lights, and you plug in the mains power. That's what you're going to use, and then you can adjust it. You can slide the diffuser in and out to get the right effect if you don't want to be a bit of a hotspot on the studio setting here, or you can put the diffuser in, like you say, just to kind of spread out that light and evenly distribute it. The stand itself is adjustable from 3 feet to 6 feet. The stands itself are made out of metal. The adjustable controls on the light itself are like a rose gold, and they are aluminium. But what is plastic is the adjustable connections on the actual neck of the stand. They are plastic, although they don't seem too fragile, and I think they'll certainly not break on you easily. Each light itself has 240 LEDs for white, 240 LEDs for yellow. And for my testing here around on full brightness, I was getting around 1.5 hours to 2 hours per set of batteries per light. The overall charge time was around 45 minutes per cell of battery, so to charge them up from flat for both of them would take me about 1.5 hours. In the 2 light settings here, the first one is me using it on the Neewer light itself, and you can see here it provides loads of light. I can change all the colours I want. I had no issues here, even just with one of these lights to light the scenes that I've been using. And if you compare it to the studio light, you can see these are brighter, and they generally give a bit more of an even light in my opinion. So overall, I've enjoyed these lights. They're really easy to get around in my studio. They're nice and compact. They don't get in the way like the soft boxes do. Provide a good diffusion of light. I also like the way they can be adjustable in terms of the tone or the colour that you want to project into your studio. I prefer a bit of a colder light, and these provide that perfectly. I've had no issues. They've been really good. Certainly worth checking out. So thanks for watching. Hope you like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.